Guys, did I go back in time? Check out how cute this Americana vibe is. Oh, no, I'm actually at my new listing, 22640 Filbert in beautiful Hayward. Come with me. Oh, the best. Hoot hoot. So what I love about this house, guys, is that you have flexibility for the number of bedrooms. Originally, this builder designed this property with 5 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms plus a loft bedroom upstairs and a downstairs bedroom. But last minute, my clients decided we don't need 5 bedrooms, we want 3. So they converted the upstairs 4th bedroom into an open concept media zone and the downstairs area into a glamorous dining room. But if you want 5 bedrooms now, put up a wall here and there, done, 5 bedrooms. Now this house is fully detached, over 1,800 square feet with 2-car parking in the garage, interior access off of a private rear driveway. When I sold this to my clients 10 years ago, there was almost nothing in this neighborhood. But here we are in 2026 with a brand new elementary school nearby and beautiful Cannery Park. You're close to freeways, downtown Hayward. This truly is living in the center of the Bay Area. Check out this full width lanai. Feels like traditional old house. No, you're in Hayward. Amazing. Plus a bonus side retreat off the corner. Lots of outdoor space. Guys, this truly is the heart of the Bay. You are equidistant to San Francisco, Silicon Valley, and the Central Valley. Perfect for commuters. Give me a ring anytime for a showing. I'll be right here. Bye. Guys, quick tidbit. I was born in Hayward, Kaiser, back in the day. If you know, you know, because it's not there anymore.